Hello guys, I'm Varsha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a card for Teachers Day and I will also show you how to make watercolor roses. So let's start. Here we are using small round brush and we will make C shapes here. So we'll start with a small C shape on both the sides and then we will keep on making C shapes. And as we are moving out, we have to take less color and more water like this. We will cover all the sides. Now I will dip my brush in water because I need less color here. So it's very simple to make watercolor roses. You just have to make C shapes. You have to practice a few times and after that you will get your perfect rose. So it's up to you how big you want your rose. I will just add one or two more strokes and I'm happy with my rose. So I will leave it like this and we'll move to our second rose. Again we will repeat the same process. We will start with a small C shape on both the sides and we'll keep on making C shapes. Now I will go back and make it a perfect C. Yes, so I will keep on adding C shapes until I am happy with my rose. So you can see as we are moving out, I am using a lot of water and very less color. So this is how we make watercolor roses. I hope you find this helpful. I will quickly make two more roses and then we will move to our next step. Now we are done with the roses. It's time to add some green leaves. So let's do that. Now I will add a small message here and here we will write Happy Teachers Day. So let's do it with pencil first. For writing Happy Teachers Day, I am using Pentel Shine Flute Touch brush pen. It is a small tip brush pen. Now it's time to add the message and we have very little space here, so I'm using Tombow Fudenosuke hard tip brush pen, which is perfect for doing fine work. Again, it is a small tip brush pen. So guys, our card is ready. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. Also comment below if you want me to make card for any other special occasion. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.